All right guys, we got the top installed. The quality is so good. It is the Master Twill top, so it's really good quality. This isn't a regular soft top. It might not be everybody's favorite choice, but I think it's super cool. I love how it's the window right here. It basically makes it like a truck, you know, truck in air quotes. You got like a cab and a bed. This window right here can get unzipped and folded down so you can have kind of an open air feel. And all these parts can be taken off separately, so I can just have the bikini top on, I can just have this on, I can just have the tonneau cover on, and I can take it all off. I can take the tonneau cover off, and then it's like actually a truck. So I really like how it looked. I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a drive and then update you guys on how it handles on the road. Let's do it. So I just took it for the first ride and it rode really well. It's not any louder or quieter than the factory soft top, but the materials are really good in this. So just to be clear, this is the Summer Combo Plus from Master Top, and I got this from Quadratech. It was about $300 plus this bar here, which was like $30, so it actually wasn't that bad, and I really like how it looks. If you guys like how it looks as well, make sure you leave a like and subscribe on the video so you can see more content, and comment down below what you think. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.